Now we'll see the rectangle, how to do it. I want to draw some rectangle. Just clicking here. I want to make by 15. I want to make by 25,000 divided by 10,000. Enter. So first 25,000 by 10,000. You can measure the distance. Click here. So 25,000 and this will be a 10,000. Okay. Now we will draw one simple house. Okay. Using this tools, just this line and rectangle. We will use these tools. We will draw a simple house like this. Okay. This I took from internet. By using this line, rectangle, only these commands, we will draw one house like this sample drawing. Okay, sample sketch. So now we already drawn this bottom rectangle. Now I am going to draw this polygon, this shape. Okay, so you can check here. Just you can drag like this also. So I am going to draw one more rectangle. Just click here. Here this already is 25,000, so I'm going for 35,000. Tab will be 5,000. Okay, so this is my rectangle. Now I'm moving here. Just I'm selecting this box, selecting, I'm moving, click here. So this center I match now. If you see here, it is like this, it is on the same line. This top line will be on the same line. So I'm making one line here, I'm making one line here. I'm going to stretch this point here. Okay, just select this, you can drag it here. So delete these lines now. So you got this shape. Now same, we are going to draw one more thing on the top. You can check here, same line, we are going to draw one more rectangle. Just rectangle, pick here. So I need up to this much off. So 12,500. Tab, height will be keeping same 5,000. So same height I'm just giving. Now what I'm doing, just copying this same rectangle here. I want to draw one line here, and this line I'm going to mirror it. Now I'm going to stretch this line here. This line I want to mirror it. Now select this and I'm matching here. So by using line and rectangle command, I am drawing this house, simple house design. Now we are going to draw this windows and doors and these handrails. Same, I am going to draw one rectangle here. You can see the length will be 5 meter, 5,000 by 3000, enter. So I got this window now. Next, door and one more window. Okay, this I am going to draw one line. I am splitting this. Going to use offset command for offset distance will be 200. Just giving one frame. It's like this window frame. Next, same window, I'm just copying. I want to keep here. I want to keep one small window here. So I want to copy the same window I'm copying here. Now we are going to draw the door. Okay, rectangle, click here. So height is going up to 7 meter, 7 by 4. Okay, I'm just typing 7000 by 4000. I entered wrongly. Just 4000, tab 7000, enter. So I got the door here. So this center to this center I'm matching. Inside I'm just offsetting by 200 for the door frame, and center I'm going to draw one line with offset. Offset. Now I am trimming these lines. I want to extend this. Okay, so now we drawn the windows, doors, and so almost we have drawn this drawing. Next we are going to make this handrails. I'm just drawing the lines here to here. 1500, connecting here, offset 200. I want to trim these lines. Again I want to offset by 1500. This one offset by 200. Okay, this I want to copy by 1.7.5. So I can copy this like this. Okay, you can see here anything I missed out, so it's perfect now. So thank you friends, thank you for watching. I am used only lines and rectangle command for drawing this, and I used for copy, move and trim offset commands for just copying and moving. Please practice this drawing. Enjoy guys. Thank you.